My name is Charlie Fusari. I'm the Vice President of Don Build.
My name is Brad Smith. I'm Vice President of Don Build.
We are bringing 4 acquired companies together with Don Legacy to create one division of Edward Don called Don Build. FED, Food Equipment Division, that's what we sell. It's time for us to tell the industry what we do. We build. The timing is absolutely perfect to rebrand from an internal acronym to something that the industry will understand and know, and most importantly, our customers will know now what we do. We build.
We know we have the talent, we know we've got the efficiencies, we know we've got the design people, the field project management, but we want our customers to know now that they have another place to go and that we are the best ones out there.
I think our competitive edge is with our teams that are assembled and in place, and the fact that we do it from start to finish, from concept to completion.
So the customer will get the same experience whether they're in Los Angeles or Atlanta or Chicago. They'll get one vision, one approach, one end result.
It all starts with Don Build.
Cheers.